There is a special kind of hell reserved for the things you haven't done. It's not the hell of failure, it's the hell of perpetual almost. The project that lives in your notes app. The business plan that exists only in your daydreams. The conversation you've rehearsed 1,000 times in silence. You look at the gap between where you are and where you need to be, and it feels like a canyon. So your mind, in a desperate act of self-preservation, does the only thing it can. It freezes. This is not laziness. This is the procrastination code, a sophisticated lock powered by your own fear. And the key is not trying harder, it's thinking differently. This is the war between the circle and the line. Circular thinking is the engine of this hell. It's the endless draining loop of I have to start, but it has to be perfect, but I don't know how, so I'll just check my phone for a minute. Which turns into an hour, which turns into a day, which turns into the ghost of that version of you who actually did it. The circle is a system that consumes time and produces only shame. It tells you the canyon is too wide to cross, so you shouldn't even try. But the truth is, you were never meant to cross it in a single leap. You were meant to build a bridge. One single solitary plank at a time. This is linear thinking. It is the quiet, powerful act of ignoring the canyon and focusing only on the next nail. Your first micro-decision is not to build the business. It is to open a blank document and name it. Your first action is not to write the book. It is to write one sentence. The worst sentence you've ever written. The power is not in the quality of the plank, but in the act of laying it, because that one action does something profound. It breaks the circle. It creates a point of no return. You are no longer standing still. You are in motion. Momentum, not motivation, is the force that builds bridges. You then hack your environment to make the next plank easier to lay. You delete the social media apps for the morning. You clear the physical clutter from your desk. You put your phone in another room. You are not relying on willpower. You are architecting a world where the right action is the easiest action. The procrastination code is broken not by a single key, but by a sequence. Stress triggers the urge to avoid. That urge is now your cue. The cue triggers your micro-action. Open the document. That action triggers the next. Set a timer for 25 minutes. That triggers the next. Write until the timer rings. You are no longer fighting procrastination. You are executing the sequence. You are moving in a straight line. The ghost of the person you never were thrives in the gap between intention and action. So you close the gap with physics, not philosophy. You stop preparing to begin, and you let the beginning prepare you. The canyon is an illusion painted by fear. The bridge is built by the relentless linear laying of one small, undeniable truth after another. The first plank is waiting. What is the one nail you can hammer in right now?